This is the last color-themed activity bin for my 2-year-old toddler. This one was super easy to put together because my little one has almost everything pink. We stuck to our common theme and had a little basket filled with random things, that little divider that had 6 different activities to do in it, of course our coloring page, and just a basket full of anything pink. I noticed that a lot of our learning toys had everything in at least one color, which was really good for us because I was able to just pick and choose what I wanted to have. As you can probably tell, we have a lot of toys, so this was actually a great way to rotate them and see what actually caught her eye and what didn't. We did a color basket every other day, and that seemed to be the perfect schedule for my little one. There was no rush in learning her colors, and since she already had exposure to almost all the colors because of her brother, this was a perfect route to go. As you can tell, my little one is obsessed with Poppy, and my 4-year-old is obsessed with Lanky Box toys. Luckily, both are pink, so they were allowed to come out and play with us today. I do hope you enjoyed our color baskets, and I can't wait to see how yours turn out.